See, at this point, if I have to ask myself, where could we put you, we're done. All right, so I'm gonna put these over here. Oh, remember I had to put that one up top. I do need a place for my butterfly to be flying up here. Now, the butterflies will attach to the thicker ones. If you tried to attach one to this thin here, you know what's going to happen, folks. You're smart. It's just going to melt. It's not going to hold. All right, so I'm going to set these guys over here, and I'm going to lay out my butterflies onto the table so I can kind of just look at their different sizes, their colors, and see, this is where my color is coming in. Set them all out. And yes, there's a lot of butterflies. Does it mean we have to use them? You should know that answer by now. Of course it would be no. All right. Here's the thing. Do not try to hang a big butterfly like this one off of something tiny like that. It's not going to look right in the proportion, plus it's not going to hold there. But I can bring that butterfly and attach it to this leaf because it's thick enough. Or I could put that butterfly right here and it's going to stay and look fantastic. So kind of really take a close look at where you can put your butterflies that is going to make them look like they are in flight and moving. So I'm going to dip that down inside there. It's the same thing, folks. We are dipping and sticking. Give it another moment to actually dry there. All right, so he's there. Then I'm going to bring in a yellow one up and over, maybe up and over there. Nope, I don't like that one. I do like this one though. I like him a lot. So we're going to dip and we're going to attach. Right like that. See how nice it just stays? Doesn't even go anywhere. So I'm going to take this other yellow one and I'm going to bring it up right to there. And if you get those little drips, the sugar does, just like you saw it happen there, don't try to catch it with your finger. That little drop will still burn you quite easily. So this little guy is going to come up and he's going to hang right off of here. And I think I want him going this way. There we go. Give him a moment to set, like I keep telling you. I want this guy up top. So once again, dip and bring it on up. And he's going to come up and set right there. And then I'm going to bring this one, I think right off of this leaf here, or maybe not. Pardon me for a moment. I have to turn it back so that I can see where things are going. Don't you just love how fast they adhese? It's just like magic. Nope, it's Isomalt. We're going to bring this one and put him off that point. I'll turn that back for you. Okay, he's right there. I'm going to get a piece of sugar though and get that little knot that little drop that was trying to drop there back up to the back there so we don't really see that. Okay. I have solid yellow now. So I've got my multicolored ones, I've got a solid, I've got a blend of a clear and a yellow. And then I've got this spot over here that is just kind of screaming to me, me, put something here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this little butterfly, the solid one, right up and into here. But I'm going to have him coming this way. Remember, we don't want everything going the same way. So just kind of mix it up a little bit. I'm trying to get some sugar up onto this. My little hot pot is running low, so I'm having to use my spatula. All right. So remember, we're coming right into here, right on the edge of that leaf. And just attach it. There we go. So then just take a look around. Is there a spot more that you would want? Now I know where the front of my cake is, so I'll take that out. before I wind up taking a photograph or something of it and going, wow, you left that in, Peg. That was really good.